Have you ever driven $1 million car? Well, I'm actually going to drive $1.5 million car today thanks to Ross right here. We're at Gunther Werks in Orange County, and we're going to drive the Gunther Werks Turbo. I don't know anything about it, so he's going to tell me all about it.
Ross Pizarkowicz, I'm the Director of Client Relations and Marketing here at Gunther Werks. Thanks for joining us. I'm going to give Chris a tour of our facility and then a go in our orange Turbo.
Cool. Let's get to it.
So when we bring our clients here, we actually curate a private lunch experience for them that's tailored to their tastes and preferences. So we have this beautiful kitchen here for our client visits.
Really?
So I'm sorry that we didn't plan a 5-course meal for you, but if you're nice enough to give us a deposit, I'd be happy to plan that in.
How much is the deposit?
About $300,000.
Oh, Christ.
You're now stepping into our showroom. So on display we have a coupe that's come back here for some upgrades.
Yeah, I see color bucks, I see leather samples, I see wheels, I see a lot of things.
Yeah, no, why don't you come over closer. Yep, on the wall we have leather samples. In the drawers underneath the wall we have hundreds of Alcantara samples, paint samples, leather samples.
It's wood shift knobs?
Yeah, this is a brand new wood shift knob that we recently just designed. Absolutely, yeah. So,
it's so lightweight.
For the company.
And then you got a little carbon thing
here,
and
this
the
is
key.
Our key.
Whoa. Oh, see, that has a little weight to it.
Yeah.
Because that's a special thing, right?
That's just a miniature wheel to highlight wheel finishes. So this is, our desert mist. This is a flat black. This is a gloss black.
How many possible combinations are there of a Gunther Werks?
Oh my gosh, it's really endless because we design our own paint here.
So you design your own paint?
Yes, exactly. Yeah. So we're engineering the paint for each client. So we have a paint library of solids and metallics that the clients can choose from, but 99% of our clients want to develop their own paint color.
Did they do the classic pan story? They bring you an object they want in that color?
Actually, they do. We have some clients that have a very specific inspiration. So one client brought a watch that was given to him by his father when he was younger, and it had this unique type of blue face to it. So we developed paint matching off of that. This piece of Alcantara, this has a X diffusion pattern over it. An X is a brand symbol for Gunther Werks, but we created this nice pattern that this is representative of what would be in the center of a seat, and this X kind of diffuses, and you can change the backing. So
to make it more breathable, or that's
this
for
is
the color.
The
color
that comes through exactly. So a lot of the times.
I'm asking low net worth questions. My apologies. Is this a combo that was built? This little guy here? Is this
this is a combo. Yes, that is being built for a client right now.
That's very nice.
That's on display. Yeah.
And then just a delightful wall of cows in various tans. These are all red leathers, but they're very different red leathers. So walk me through the process of, say I want this red. Is that included in the $1.5 million? Or is this, it depends on the material?
It depends on exactly what type of red. So there is a standard set of leather library, and then there's an options set as well. And also we can custom dye the leather as well if you want to match or try to have an exact match from the paint. What you're looking at right here is 2 different headlight designs. This is our cup headlight. This is our GWX, our X design headlight. So you can almost imagine that there's tape going across here like an old Le Mans cars for racing for a headlight lens. So we have 2 different steering wheel designs here. This is a carbon fiber steering wheel. This steering wheel also has a carbon fiber rim that's wrapped in Alcantara, but this design right here is a concave steering wheel that it brings the steering wheel rim about 2 inches closer to the driver. So because the 993 does not have any telescoping steering wheel.
Yeah, you take it up all on the wheel then.
So we've designed a steering wheel for our taller drivers for the steering wheel to sit a little bit closer to them.
Nice and thin too, it's good. Neat. Pretty lightweight as well. All right, I'll put it down gently now.
Yeah.
I want to see the tachometers. I love tachs. Oh, so the bezel and all that's customizable for the
so
client?
we'll do nickel plating bezels. We'll paint them as well.
Well, this is one of the things Gunther Werks is known for. It's the tail light, right?
Yep.
It's because it's
Yeah.
very difficult to make one. It's also hard to design a nice looking one, which I'll say it is a nice looking tail light. And I love the little E36 lightweight.
Yeah, we have the full size version here as well.
That's oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Our owner.
Neat. I mean, an E36 guy building $1.5 million 993s is kind of sick. You know, it's kind of dope.
This department touches everything from buttons to the motor as well. So this is a double wishbone front suspension upright. You know, this is a custom oil cooler that they designed as well. This is the weight of and design of a 997 GT3 exhaust tip, and then feel our 3D printed Inconel.
So much lighter
in comparison.
It's so spidery. So much negative space. It's cool. This is their little lab then. This is R&D.
Yes, exactly.
Okay,
R&D and
yeah, you got a turbo on this shelf too.
so you can see in front of us we have 2 paint booths here. So this is where we paint our cars, our chassis, and the body panels.
Everything's done in house, and the carbon.
Everything's done in-house, and the carbon is made at by Gunther Werks at another facility in town.
A shelf full of parts, many various
and
parts. Yeah.
Beautiful parts and a lot of nice
carbon
colors
dash.
here. Yep.
Carbon center console.
Carbon center console. Next to our paint and polishing department is where we manufacture wheels. So we have a lathe and we have a mill. It starts with this piece of raw forged aluminum.
Yes, yeah. Forged blank.
Yeah.
We got forged blank barrels.
That we take and we put in the lathe. And so when it's done, it comes out looking like a disc. That's representative of what will become the face of the wheel. And then we take that disc and we move it from the lathe over to the mill.
Yep. And then that's where you do the face stuff.
Exactly. And then it carves the design right into that forged aluminum disc. And you can see it's working on one right now. The whole process is about 8 hours. This is a turbo twist aero wheel for a Gunther Werks, which is 18-inch.
Yeah.
So the fronts are
that pocketing.
18 by 11, and the rears are 18 by 13.
The fronts are 18 by 11?
Yes. One of my favorite points of our car is the tire setup and tire size. So we run a 295 30/18 on the front, and the 335 30/18 on the rear.
Jesus, that's a lot of tire on the front of a 911. Yeah.
It's for any car.
Yeah, that's a lot of tire.
No other. I don't know of another production car that is running a front tire that's wide.
Besides a Camaro, it's incredible.
Next up outside of this room is where the assembly takes place for the vehicles. So
let's check it out.
Now behind this wall here, I can't show you, but this is our parts storage warehouse. We make most of what's on the car, but if we're not using one of our parts, we'll defer to an OE. Brembo for the brakes, JRZ for the suspension, and Roth Sport for the motor.
I know I'm supposed to look at these, but that green E36 is incredible. Hold on.
An E36 guy building $1.5 million 993s is kind of sick.
Whoa. Dude, it's so clean. Oh, and the keys are on the windshield. Can we take this one? I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. Don't. I still want to drive the orange one. I'm kidding.
Yeah.
That's a gorgeous car. Okay, sorry. Back to the other gorgeous ones. Yeah.
Yeah. So this is a Speedster that's nearing the end of assembly completion. This is a 4-liter flat 6. That's the common DNA shared by all of our motors, whether it's the turbo or whether it's the motor from our Speedster. This is a special Speedster. This is the GWX Speedster, which is a special division of Gunther Werks. That's like special projects. So this motor has a slide valve, throttle bodies.
Oh, I was looking at that. I'm like, why is that so odd?
Plate and casing is
Was that a
Covering.
customer request or just
No,
like a?
this is a unique program that we designed. This was a custom color that we designed for the client.
Wow, this is jewelry underneath here. That's what a 993 subframe looks like. I never knew.
That's our subframe.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Just gorgeous spherical arms. 3-position sway bars. Wow.
This is our GW Turbo.
Jeez.
You can see the stunning flat fan that's nickel plated, looking at us right there. Beautiful 3D printed titanium exhaust tips. It also has a titanium exhaust.
Yeah. Full
There are-
titanium.
Yes,
okay.
there are 3 different wing options that you can get on this car. A whale tail, a touring ducktail, or this is our high downforce wing.
Okay. This is HDK, as it were, and a diffuser down there, carbon diffuser.
Yes. But you'll please take note that this is a chassis mounted wing.
That goes straight down. Oh yeah, you
Yep.
see the big old
Bolted
rigid.
directly to the chassis. Magnesium wheels. The fronts weigh only 14 pounds, the wheels. Which
On an 18 by 11?
Yep, and an 18
That's
by 11.
super light.
So it's a Brembo GTR caliper that's nickel plated, and the CCMR rotors. And you'll notice that you don't see any hairline cracks on the face of the rotors like you do a lot of carbon ceramics. So this is using, layered sheets of carbon ceramic, and it's not being made by pressing fragments of carbon ceramic together. These are our beautiful aero arm mirrors that are in aluminum right there. Carbon fiber top dash, mid dash, carbon fiber floor, center tunnel, waterfall. The seats, these are our touring edition seats that we design, manufacture in-house. Also take note of this beautiful magnetic track headrest.
It's for your helmet.
Exactly.
Oh, it smells expensive in there.
Yeah. The shifter itself is plated bronze. The tachometer is plated in gold, as are the knobs and switches on the steering wheel.
This is some oil money shit, to be honest with you. This is awesome. This is...
So much of what makes this car special, it's not just the facts and the figures of the numbers. Numbers only tell part of the story, but it's really about the visceral connection that you get between man and machine that I feel is lost on all modern cars today. Modern cars today, you don't get any steering feedback. You feel like you're driving a video game simulator. This is a symbiotic experience. You're plugged directly into the matrix.
Still a 911. So yeah, it's still a sports car. Yeah.
With everything, turned up to 11. How the weight of the steering wheel, the feedback from the steering wheel, the notchiness and tightness of the gearbox. That's like a bolt action rifle. The clutch has just enough mechanical feel, but not too much where it's requiring, a very heavy foot. Everything about this car is about performance. It's about making a race car for the road that's usable. And make no mistake, you can definitely daily drive this vehicle.
Yeah.
It's very comfortable, thanks in large part to all the work that we did with JRZ on the electronic suspension. It's a very Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde experience.
He said it's 840 horsepower?
840 horsepower, 600 foot-pounds of torque.
And you're giving me the keys.
We're giving you the keys.
All right, let's try it. Let's go for it. Jesus wept. That's only 650 horsepower. I'm already scared. It's just all crazy. It's all crazy. It's all insane. Every bit of it is wild, of course. I don't know what to say. I'm out of words. I'm just saying words now to fill dead space. That's how crazy this car is. The Yap Master has been out yapped by this car. That was 830 horsepower out of 4 liters from a flat 6, revving to 7,800 RPM.